Welcome to Harisystems. In this session, you will learn how to install PyCharm IDE. The PyCharm IDE is especially designed for to develop a program of Python language, projects and programs and files. Now we will see how to install Python tool of PyCharm IDE on Windows. Go to jetbrains.com, tools, click on PyCharm. This is the professional edition. It's fully featured professional edition. We have to buy for license. For the demonstration purpose, we are testing for evaluation version. Click download. Once completed the download, go to the download page, double click on PyCharm Professional. There is two versions are available. One is professional and one is the community edition, which is absolutely free. In this edition, you are seeing that professional installation. Once double click on the PyCharm Professional, click run. Next, the default destination folder, click next, select the 32-bit 64-bit based on your operating system, click next. The installation is going on. It may take few minutes. It depends upon your system processor and memory. Once the installation is completed, the PyCharm IDE will give you the main features of to create a project and open a project and get the source from the version control repository. If it is the working on with the repository, you have to specify the path of the repository and credentials of that access. If it is already Python project or program is available in your desktop or laptop, you specify the path of that file and open it. If it is new, you create a new and write a program and execute it. The installation is almost at end. PyCharm has been installed on your computer. I am taking as run PyCharm for showing the demonstration. The initial step of open that part I will show you in the IDE. Import PyCharm settings from. If it is an older versions are there, you have to select this one and give a path of that file, or else don't import settings. This is the customization. Select the UI tab. It's showing that setting as a default. This is the activation and evaluation. I'm showing the selecting the evaluation for free for the demonstration. If you want to buy, you can select the activate the key and give appropriate details, and you have to take the license from the PyCharm. This is the education purpose. To see the demonstration, we are using the evaluator. Now you see that expiration date is showing that December 11th. It's almost 1 month they are giving an evaluation. This is the welcome page. It shows that create new project. It's open and check from the version controller and the configuration page here, the settings, plugins, import settings and all the things. For next videos we'll see that how to create a project and how to work on the welcome, hello world and PyCharm programs and all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share, comment. Thank you.